Hey guys, welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, so this video is for the Beating the Blues collaboration. It is, what time is it, Chris?
25 to 12.
It's 25 to 12 on Friday. This video, Friday the 30th, I believe. This video is going live tomorrow, and I've not even started it yet. In fact, I only got this mould this morning. So, just a quick backstory. I had an idea, not enough time. This mould was delivered. I've had a second idea, and that's what I'm doing. So, what is Beating the Blues collaboration? It's the wonderful, amazing Andy from CC UK Resin. Chris is giving me a dodgy look and slowly nodding his head. Yeah, the wonderful Andy, as I say, CC UK Resin. I believe it's his first collaboration that he's hosting. I think I saw Lula mention that this morning in Lula's Discord channel. So, Andy's got a Discord channel too. Right. So, this was delivered this morning. It's water ripple, I think. Well, it's either water or wood, but it's blue. It's going to be water. So I'm hoping, she says, because I put it face down, I've got dirt in it already. Get me some tape, please. So, super straightforward. I know I say that all the time, but this one really, really, really is super straightforward. All I'm going to be doing is tinting resin with this sapphire blue alcohol ink, tinting. So a little colour, not a lot. And then I've got two ideas. If the first one doesn't work, I'll do the second. So mixing it up fully, properly, like you do. And then I'm going to add a couple of drops more and just give it a swirl so there's like a little trail in there. So not fully mixing the second darker drop in. So I'm going to do that and just pour. Nothing super extreme or anything. Just that. Now I am going to be adding a tiny amount of glitter because I love glitter. What can I say? This really doesn't need glitter, but it's me. So if that idea doesn't work, and you'll probably see once Chrissy's Zoomies are on, so if that does not work, I'll then add some drops on the back and then swirl it through a little bit. That's it. So, oops. So that's what I'm doing. Right, so I think that's it. So I am going to mix up my resin now, and I will leave you to Chrissy's Zoomies.
The Crafty Rat, short on time, says one more mold, then I'm fine. Cart full, hot full, it was on sale. Swears this project just can't fail. Boxes in the hallway, glitter in her hair, laughing as she taps pay like her funds appear from there. Welcome to T-Hoop Anonymous. We've all got her covered like a promise. She's beating back the gray, the gloom, pouring little rainbows in her intentions, sticky set. Friends all in the comments, cheering every pour. Show us when it's finished, so she orders 3 or 4. Welcome to Timo, anonymous. Well, we've all got it covered like a promise. She's beating back the gray, the gloom, pouring little rainbows in her room. January blues try to follow us, but we sip, we stir, we rise from this. Thanks to Andy Raz, got Resin, one more play for every season. If the dark days start creeping in, so just get live and let 'em in. Love the chair, bring your brew, I'll make a mess and laugh with you. Welcome to Timo, anonymous. We've all got it covered like a promise. She's beating back the gray, the gloom, pouring little rainbows in her room. January blues try to follow us, but we sip, we stir, we rise from this. Thanks to Andy Raz, got Resin, one more play for every season.
Right, so it's 5 o'clock on Friday afternoon. It's cured. So it does have a little bit of overpour. I did spend quite a while trying to sort that out. But let's just take these out first. So this mould, like this one, is from Timo. Never used before. Figured I'd check it out with the excess. And wow. Needs a bit of clean up, but I really like that. So that's one. Let's get this one out. I'm guessing it'll be the same. It took me a while to get all the air bubbles out, but I think I did an okay job of that. Yeah, so these look the same, but I really do like that. Right, the blue saw the part of this. Okay, so let's have a look at this now. There is a couple of surface bubbles. Hang on, let me stand up. Oy. So I don't know if they can be seen in there, but I can see them. Let's see how it is on the other side. So I do like the slightly swirly effect. You probably can't see it now that I've taken it off. But let's turn it over and have a look. Ooh, I quite like that. So I'm going to have to do it. I sat down. I need to stand up again. Ooh. Yeah, there's a couple of surface bubbles, but not too fussed. You can't see. Oh no, you can. Is the camera picking it up? So there's like streaks that go across, so it's not just a plain colour. Could probably do with a few more streaks, but other than that, I actually quite like this. So this has still got a little bit more to do, so I'm not going to demold on that on this video. Right, so this is my Beating the Blues contribution. Right, so linked below. Hope you've enjoyed this, but linked below is the playlist for this. Go check everybody out. All the people who get involved in these, I've never come across anyone who I don't like. They're all brilliant. Right, so as I said, this is my contribution. I hope you liked it. I mean, I actually really love it. I know the camera can't pick it up. I'm going to see if Chris can pick it up on the photos, but especially with the white back, you can see the striations of the alcohol. So yeah, really like that. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you're still here, thank you. Your support means a lot to me. Linked below, as just mentioned, is Andy's playlist. Andy is absolutely awesome. We love him. Yeah, go check that out. Also, I do have discount codes linked below, as is my Amazon wishlist and Buy Me a Coffee. Right, that's it for this video, and I will catch you for the next one, which in theory should be on Tuesday. Bye guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene.